Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm going to make some clusters. So I'm making an awesome altered book. I've only got the cover to do, but I was having a little flick through and I thought, oh, a few of those pages I think need a cluster. So these are all the little fussy cuts that I had left, and I thought I could use those. And I've got these leaves. I have had these, I don't know, probably 20 years. They've been sat. I might have even had them longer, and I've hardly used them. I've no idea where I bought them. I'd have just seen them and thought, oh, they'll be useful. And they're actually a really good colour for this. So I thought I might make these the basis of the cluster. And I thought, we've got these little prayers, and then just something on top of that, a little acorn maybe, and that's a little cluster. So that is what I'm thinking of doing, and then I'll decide where to place them afterwards. But right now I just wanted to get some quick clusters made, and I just thought, well, I'll turn the camera on. And right, got a little bit of cereal wrap there because that is going to take a little time to stick. So that's the first one done there. So carry on. I quite like how that's worked out. What I might do is stick these down until I run out of prayers. That'll be nice and quick, won't it? So I'm not bothered that I can't read the little passages. Well, they're passages from the Bible really, as opposed to prayers. It was more about the right colour. I'd done a cluster in the journal, and I used a ticket, and I thought, oh, I like that. I could dig my tickets out. I now know exactly where they are because I've been putting them in my ephemera holder. And then I thought, well, I bothered to ink round, to rip and ink round each of these prayers. Let's get them used. So yeah, and I thought, well, they'll kind of have the same effect of just having the right sort of shape and colour in the background. So that's what I'm going for. So yeah, there we go. So I hope everybody's okay. Anybody affected by this storm that's coming? I know I was reading up in Scotland seems to be getting the worst of it, and they're talking about evacuating villages. It's very scary how destructive the weather can be. So yeah, we went out last night because our favourite little bar, it's like a Belgian bar, and he was getting some Belgian reps from one of the brewers. Came in, and he's got a sort of a limited edition beer. He said only one of 6 kegs or barrels. They're going to be in the country. It's like, yeah, we better have a bit of that. So Wednesday night went to the pub. Don't normally do that, but the wind was just, you could really feel it coming up. So yeah, I think the worst of it's going to come tonight. It'll have all gone by the time this is this is out. Alright, so I've run out of prayers now. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get some tickets. I think I need 13. Unlucky for some, not for me. So I want these ones. Those colours. What did I say? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, we'll have them. They'll do nicely. Might need to print some more tickets. Mind you, I haven't said that. I've got gazillions of actual, genuine tickets. I bought 300 in a job lot. They're ace. I like them. Yeah, so these just haven't been inked. So sort that out, and I will sort the little hole out as well. So I think these are Auntie May's tickets. I think these are like one of the first things I bought when I was buying digitals. I bought one of a sort of, I can't remember what it's called, sort of a mixed ephemera pack thing. And it was just full of tickets. And that was perfect for what I wanted. I'm just going to do the old. Chances are it's not going to be seen anyway, but can't see that one because I'm not wearing my glasses. Not even on the top of my head to just pull down. My eyesight's getting worse and worse. But hey ho, that's, I mean, nothing that glasses wouldn't solve. You know, it's not like I'm gone blind. But yeah. So stick some of these on, and then it'll just be a matter of me popping them on the page. Sorry, there's a little bit of glare from this cellophane that I'm using, but couldn't think of what else to do. So yeah, so it's Thursday today, so tomorrow's Friday. Friday. Let's get down for Friday. So, not that it really makes any difference for me what day of the week it is, but it does mean that when the weekend comes, Ed's not at work, and James isn't working, and we're not going away. So weekend at home, so that'd be marvellous. Hopefully see me busy as well. Because I didn't see her last weekend because we went away. So just Friday's off now, so I might ring her tonight and go, shall we get together on Friday? This Friday, our local pub does a discount on fizz on a Friday. Call it Fizz Fridays. So we've only done it a couple of times. So there we go. That's that bit done. Put them away. And then bring them in. So then we'll just put something else on the top of all of these. So I quite like the look of an acorn. I think that's quite cool. So we'll have a couple of acorns. So I'm not really thinking too much about this. So then we've got nice little leaf like that. James, my boy's name. Okay. I do like these little maple leaves. I know it's a leaf and a leaf, but I think it's okay. And oh, I do like these little puff things. No idea what they're called. Puff things. I like them. There we go. So coming together really quickly. And because they're all from the kit, all the colours will go with whatever page this needs to adorn. Right, so we got quite liking the idea, one of them puffer things going up the side of that ticket. Yep. I may add a word to these. I may. I'll just see. Little acorn down there. Now the only thing about this one is I didn't. There. Just didn't cover that enough for my liking. And then we've just got two more. Might, because these are all like oak trees. So might. How many acorns have I got left? That might be your only one, Jez. Is it? No. Stick that on there as well. I do love an acorn. When I did the Camino in 2017, it's a pilgrimage in northern Spain, and there were loads of acorns. We went in September. Literally went when I should have been going back to school. It was like when I left teaching, and it was quite nice to be away when I would have normally started back to school. And yeah, I picked up loads and loads of acorns. I've still got some, and yeah, love them. So now when I see an acorn, it makes me think of the amazing trip that we had. Got two more acorns. Oh, I'll have to stick them on that oaky leaf there. Can't pick him up. Helps if you take the lid off, Jez. Put a little acorn there. There is there anything else where you think you would benefit from someone else? Sticky one there. Although actually, you're getting lost. Getting lost there. No, we won't use that. Change your mind. I'm good at that. Right, and then the idea is, I've just found another prayer. Oh well, I might discover I need another cluster. So let's open a page. Right, so there, I think that needs a cluster. So I'll just bring this into shots. I think I might go for one with a bit of green in. So just the thought, could have that just there in the corner of the page, just as a little decorative element. You've got journaling there, you can journal on that. So that is where I'm thinking. That this is going to go. Just in the corner. Oh, look, there's one up there. That was a fresh one. There's one up there. It was probably fresh this morning. There we go. That is what my thoughts are. I wasn't sure if I were going to add to that. That one's quite busy. There were, just like there, that I feel needs a little something. Needs a little something in the corner there. Just to finish it off. So I will continue with those. Yeah, so that's my little clusters. So it was those that I was kind of following. I might put a word in them, but I don't think I'm going to, because of the prayer on it. I don't think it needs a word. So yeah, nice little quick one for you today. I'm going to leave those to dry a little bit more now, and I'll finish them off. So, and then I'm going to do the cover. All right, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.